Today we got lots to do. I'm gonna go over to my shed. I don't think I've done a video on this shed, so stay tuned for that. But we're gonna be working on getting this bad boy put together. What I don't understand is, do not lay flat. There's a bicycle in there, and does it have Freon? Like you're not supposed to lay it flat? I don't know, but I gotta get my tools. Here's a little preview of the shed. I got my tools. Got my box cutter and a Sharpie, and we're gonna be breaking down some boxes. I still worry about people dumpster diving and getting addresses. I don't know, maybe I'm old-fashioned, but dang, those junk mails and stuff. But we're gonna be taking care of that. What a work, I'm sweating. That stuff is dangerous. You know, cutting up those boxes. Man, look at that. Whew. Injury. Is this something to go to the hospital for? Okay, what's next? So I'm not supposed to lie this flat. Well, anyway, this is a Schwinn bicycle. 24-inch, I think, is the size of the wheel diameter. And the boys need a new bike. Figured I'd try one. This was on sale at Walmart, so. But those are the tools that I need. Allen key. I hope I have that. Okay, but do not lie flat. Okay. Let's figure this out. So the gear is like on the wheel. Can't even turn it, see? It's like hitting the spokes. So I'm not sure if this is something I have to disassemble and reassemble, or maybe that's why you can't lay these boxes flat, because if they're flat, people can step over them and bend things. Okay, it's getting too hot. I'm gonna stop recording while I figure this out so I could go in the shade. All right. After a few minor adjustments and stuff, it's built. Oh my god, I'm tired. It's a mountain bike, Schwinn 24-inch Sidewinder. Not too bad. The frame's kind of wobbly, so I don't know if it's me or if it's just that. I may take it to a bike shop and just have it checked out. I think they charge like 90 bucks. So 150 bucks, I got it at Walmart, and maybe another 100 bucks to get it checked out and make sure I did it right. I guess it's a good deal. I don't know. We'll see what the boys think. See that black piece at the bottom? The chain is hitting it. It's rubbing against it. So I don't think that's normal. I wonder if you could see it on this angle. It's on the other side. See, it's this piece right here, but it's this. The chain is hitting the side of it. So I'm gonna probably have it checked out. I picked up the bike last night from REI, and they gave me a list of things that they fixed. I'm glad I took it to experts. They suggested for me to purchase the lifetime membership. It's like 30 bucks, and it gets me 20% off the services fee. As they were going through the list, they said that rather than charge me for each correction they made, they're just gonna charge me a like a build a bike fee or something, assembly fee, because it comes out a lot cheaper. So I believe the cost without membership is like $75 for the assembly, and then if I got the membership it would be $60. So everything came out to about 90 something bucks. And let me show you, let me go through what they did. Okay, first oopsies I did is I guess the front fork or pitch, I don't know. Anyway, this guy, I had the wheel on backwards, and so this was actually on this side and the disc brakes were on the other side. Apparently you're supposed to line up the brakes on one side. So the brakes are on this side, left side, and then the brakes in the front are on this side. Whoops. There was a missing piece that was supposed to go here somewhere. Well, it wasn't missing. I thought it was extra parts, so I didn't even install it. Other than that, like what I was saying, there was rubbing on the gears. They adjusted that, and they made a couple adjustments in the back as well. So those were like that, I guess, from the factory. At least I'm not to blame on that one. But it rides great. Aiden likes it, and that's all that mattered. So good investment. We got to spend time together, and we're gonna do more riding together. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't let my looks fool you. I'm no bikeologist, so but yeah, I would look into having someone else put together if you can't figure it out. But I thought I figured it out, but I guess I didn't. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.